You've been faithful, God, from the ages past. Yeah, that is why your name is forevermore. You've been faithful, God. You've been faithful, God. Yeah, from the ages past. Yeah, and that is why your name is forevermore.